The Delta variant now detected in 124 countries around the world, and it's on track to become the globe's dominant variant within months. That warning from the World Health Organization. In its latest update, it's reporting nearly 3.5 million new coronavirus cases last week. That's up 12% from the week before. At this rate, it's expected the cumulative number of cases reported globally could exceed 200 million in the next 3 weeks.
Already this year, the number of deaths is more than double last year's total.
Addressing the International Olympic Committee Wednesday, the WHO's Director General saying the threat from the pandemic is not over anywhere until it's over everywhere.
Anyone who thinks the pandemic is over because it's over where they live is living in a fool's paradise.
France is just one of the countries seeing a jump in new cases. Officials there saying this week they're now entering a fourth wave as the Delta variant is now making up a majority of new infections as a new COVID health pass comes into effect. Starting Wednesday, proof of vaccination, a negative test, or recent recovery from COVID is needed to enter most museums and theaters. Protests against the new rules and the push for vaccinations staged in Paris. France reporting 18,000 new cases Tuesday, a surge of 150% from the previous week.
96%.
96% of those new cases were people who were not vaccinated, says the French PM. To Australia, roughly half the country's population is now under stay-at-home orders to contain a Delta-driven outbreak. Just over 11% of the population is fully vaccinated. And an update out of New York City Wednesday. Mayor Bill de Blasio announcing city healthcare workers will be required to either get vaccinated or get tested weekly for COVID-19 starting August 2nd.
This is about keeping people safe and stopping the Delta variant. If we want to beat COVID once and for all, we have to stop the Delta variant.
So far, about 60% of workers in the city's public hospital system are vaccinated. Melissa Duggan, City News.